Hello and welcome to the Freak Show. I'm Frankie, and today we will be continuing with The Evil Within. I was doing some research, and turns out some of the people who were the developers of Resident Evil were actually in on this game when it came to development, which I think is really interesting because the Resident Evil games are some of my favorites. So now that I know that, I'm actually a lot more excited to play this game. I think we saw this cutscene. It's where we get lobotomized, and then she asks... Yeah, then we're in here, and then we go down the stairs, and we do all that. Okay, so this is about where we left off last time. We had gone through this door, and then we reached some sort of cutscene with some sort of Pyramid Head-looking ripoff? Kind of? I don't know. His head looks weird. I can't tell what's going on, though. And then we ended up in this little area here, and then I decided to call it quits. But can't go in there. Can't go in there. Oh, maybe we can? No, we can't. I don't actually know what's going on right now. This is... Are those the waves that Leslie puts off that were happening a minute ago? I think that's what those are. Also, I don't know why it took me this long, but we're not wearing our trench coat anymore. I don't know why I'm only noticing that now. Oh, that's not a pleasant noise. Can I break this? No. Is it Kidman? Oh, it's... Of course it's Leslie and the weird waves he emits in this weird place. I think he definitely has some sort of deeper connection. Because we saw in a couple episodes back, or last episode, or something like that,
Sebastian?
that Ruvik
Sebastian?
was testing on him.
Sebastian?
Yes, that is us. How may we help you? Oh, mirror face. Yes, lovely. Why? What? Where are we? Also, what? Okay. So I take it we have to get out there, so let's just hop over these guys and hop down here. And let's have a box breaking spree. Ah, I don't want to waste ammo. Ammo is too important. Okay, and then we got harpoons. Shoot. Can I use one anytime soon and then just run back here and get it? Losing grip on ourselves. Chapter 6. Yes. Methinks that it is things we are seeing affecting our psyche or reliving memories. Because I still don't believe that we are as much of what we are as what we say we are, if that makes any sense. I don't believe that we were just on a homicide case and then teleported to this strange world. I feel like this is more of a manifestation of our broken minds trying to piece together reality. Okay, so that's full. This might be the time when we use that. And then we'll pistol you. Perfect. And then we hop down here and we collect our prizes. Behind door number 1 is a healing syringe, and behind door number 2 is some shotgun shells. Okay. And it's mine! Okay. Now back to where we were. Okay, so we're back here, and we are just gonna go... Oh, well... Our asthmatic detective can't seem to run today. But that's okay. We love Sebastian anyway. And we break open a box, and there's nothing in there. Sure, why not? I don't use matches often anyway. What is this? Ooh, grenades. Ooh, he was hiding a thingamabob. Oh, I didn't mean to punch his burnt corpse. I want to punch her. Yay! Don't take that line out of context, please. I don't want to punch any specific woman. I don't want to punch anyone. Well, mostly anyone. Love me some gunshots. Love me some gunshots. Big wooden door. Do we have to break it down, or can we just open it peacefully? Ah, we went with the peaceful option. What's going on now? Oh, hey! It's Buddy Friend. It's Buddy Friend, Joseph.
My head wouldn't stop buzzing. It felt like it was about to crack open.
You seem to have that a lot.
But now it's like I'm starting to get used to it.
That's not good.
You seen Kidman? No. Next thing I knew, I was here. I must have blacked out, or maybe I turned again.
So he is aware that he's doing it. Oh, I guess he was aware last time that he was doing it too.
Inside. Let's go.
Anyway, I think it would be really cool if there was some sort of fan story, or... I know I have some DLCs, and I'm not sure what they're about, but it would be really neat to see if the DLCs are like Kidman and Joseph's side stories of what happens when they aren't with Sebastian. Oh, lovely. I love when fire encapsulates my existence. Oh, ooh. Another face only a mother could love. I really do want to know, like, what are these people? Are these, like, our broken mind's idea of the criminals that we have dealt with in the past? Oh, shit! Ah, you asshole! Die! No! Ah! Medicine! Thank you for waiting patiently! Ah! Sorry about that, my game crashed.
Another moment. Just keep me covered.
Oh, shit. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. I will not be reducing the difficulty because I'm not actually that bad at gaming. Okay. Ah! I call bull. I shot... You're missing chunks of your head. Just go down. It'll be a lot less painful for all of us. Perfect. That... No, why did I didn't mean to.
Can't hold them off much longer. Another moment. Just keep me covered.
Okay. We're running. Ah! Okay, we got some matches. We're gonna burn them. And then we're gonna pick this up. Oh, right. It's encouraging us to sneak attack them. Okay, so we're gonna... X. No! X! Ha! No.
Are you alright?
No! Well, that's convenient. And that buys some time. Sweet. And then we get a hatchet and some green goo. So we get an insta-kill on the next motherfucker who decides to get in here. And it's this button. Sweet. And I'm getting slightly better at headshots. Not really, but kinda.
Much longer. Another moment. Just keep me covered.
Aha! And then we're gonna burn you... like the sick, twisted son of a bitch you are, and sure, you too, because there's an extra match over here. Sweet, and now we just take care of you. No, we take care of you.
Got it. Let's go.
Yes. No, why are we slowing? Why are we stopping? Oh, that's why. Sweet. And then we jump down here. What was this? Ice thing. Explosion-y things. Shotgun shells. Yes, please. Oh my god, why are there more explosives? Okay, we're just gonna stay here. And bam! And bam! Bam! Sweet, I like the distance that the matches get. I wonder if there's... No, there's just an upgrade for how many matches you can hold, not how many matches... not how... the radius of the matches, I guess. That's not an upgrade that there is. And then we'll burn this sucker too. And then we'll pick up some green goo. Hello, Father. Goodbye, Father. I said go down, Padre. I said go down, Padre. You too. Did the Father finally kick the bucket? Ooh, shotgun ammo. Ammo. I don't think there's anything from this. Sweet, let's GTFO, Joseph. Okay, quick QTE. No, we're good. Sweet. Yay, we did it. And I only died an infinitesimal amount of times.
We can't keep going at this pace.
No, we can't.
I think we've got to get out of this place as fast as we can.
I agree. Getting out of here is a good idea.
The tower there. We might be able to get a lay of the land.
Okay.
Anything's got to be better than staying here.
Okay. Some medicine and rifle. Yes. Frankie likey. This unusual looking rifle is bolt action and has a scope. It looks old but appears to have been well cared for. I actually have my great grandfather's rifle. It's like a 150-year-old Marlin 3230 or 3032, one of the two.
How much longer am I needed here?
I don't know. What are your hours like? Is this... Are you on salary? Are you hourly? I don't know, hon. I don't know. However long it takes me to complete the game, we'll go with that. I like having crossbow bolts. Let's go for this one. More crossbow bolts. Sweet. And I like how they give me 4, so it always maxes out how many I have. I wonder, when I upgrade my health, it upgrades... It heals me fully, so I wonder if I have low ammunition. Oh, I guess it doesn't matter because I don't have low ammo. Never mind. So back into the fray. Okay, and then we're good on. We're kind of good on shotgun, kind of good on pistol.
Let's be careful. It could be full of them.
And then we just stomp him out until he gives us that delicious green spinal fluid. Oh shit, there's more. Okay, are you coming? Oh! Big fella! Big whale! I watched too much Finding Nemo. Die! Okay, big fella! Oh, so it is like Resident... Why am I not surprised it's like Resident Evil 4? No! Oh! Heads will roll. How funny. Maybe I should be conserving those, honestly. Probably a good idea to not waste all of them. I have more in the mirror dimension, but, you know, I don't have access to that all the time. Hi there, buddy, friend, pal, my guy, dude. Come back. No, I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped my hatchet. Perfect. I got some matches and another hatchet. Cool. Oh, for the love of God. Joseph, he's yours. No, Joseph, he's yours. Joseph, get away from the bomb. God damn it, Joseph.
Are you alright? Out of ammo?
Ah, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Did you get him, Joseph? Good boy. You're not a dog, I'm sorry. Okay, so we're all healed up and pulling random levers. I don't know what this does, but I did it. Oh no. Did I make my life more difficult? Should I not have done this? Okay, so then there's another proximity bomb down here, which we're going to duck. And we get that, and then we get 2 pieces of scrap. Okay, and then we go back in here. And then, oh, Sebastian. I think I'll buy you a treadmill for Christmas. Actually, we should heal up Buddy Boy. Oh, Molotov.
Get to cover. They're shooting from above.
Ah! I'm on fire! Goodness gracious, great balls of fire! I want a proximity bomb. Joseph, my guy, come here. No, Joseph. Okay. Oh, this is where I use the rifle. This is where I use the rifle. Right? Because they're firing at us from far away, we need to... Bam! No, I missed! Shoot. And then we...
Without getting skewered. We won't stand a chance if we don't take out those other guns.
Yes, okay. Ah, okay. I understand. And then we are going to heal up a little bit. Is it just me, or do I hear Chainsaw Friend? We're going to heal Joseph, and then we're going to run over here, and we're going to crouch, and we're going to... Ah!
Are you alright?
No, I just got blown up. What do you think? Okay, we're going to set that shortcut there. And then we're just going to hide out here for a little while and heal up. Bye, Padre! Sweet. Wow, you're good for something right now, Joseph. Why weren't you good for things before? God, I should have given you a melee weapon when we first met up at the thing. No! Ha! Right through the spine. Good shot. Hopefully this time we can disarm this bomb without lowering our health. Got it! Ha-ha! Okay, and then we just need to find... I don't want to lose my hatchet, but I'm going to have to for a second so we can get our rifle out. And we gotta tease him with our voluptuous detective body.
Now we can get through without getting skewered. We won't stand a chance if we don't take out those other guns.
I know, we're gonna take out the guns. Ah, shit. Teasing with my voluptuous detective body. Haha! Death upon you and your family! Oh, god damn it, Joseph! Joseph, let me help you. Where are you, Joseph?
This is getting tough.
Get your ass up here. You can't die yet. You won't die at all. I won't allow it. You're my best friend! Okay, a torch and some pistol ammo. Doing good on the ammo front this time. Okay, now we're gonna fire this prick from afar. Actually, we're gonna... Get off of me! Hey, thanks for the save there, good buddy. Okay, shotgun? Wow. You're good at this, dude. Goodbye. You need to fuck off. Fucking tomahawk throwing asshole. Die! Die! Oh, die! Die! Fucking curb stomp his ass. A hatchet. Good. Okay, and then we're gonna... I thought I saw hatchet. Yeah. Okay, we gotta do this. Shit! Running low on fucking... Off with your head. Is that... Yes, rifle ammo. Sweet. Okay, rifle is this one. Ah!
All right.
Too bad you can't heal me. That would be lovely. Ah! No! God damn it. Oh my god, there's a fucking harpoon in my view. Ah! Don't get hit.
We won't stand a chance if we don't take out those other guns.
I know that, Joseph. Then we got that one. And then some health for you. I'd like some health for me, but I don't think that's an option right now. Gotcha! Bitch!
Are you all right?
Burn, baby, burn! Yeah! Oh, I have no shotgun ammo! Yes, I do! Can one of you please drop a health pack? Or a tactical nuke that only affects you zombie assholes? And we're just gonna heal a little bit, because this is insane. Well, healing was interrupted. Okay, so now that we're doing that, I can... Ah, no you don't. Get down, father. That is a relatively harder mark to hit. Oh my god. He can't aim worth shit. And neither can I, apparently, because I'm out of ammo. Joseph, where the hell do you think you're going? No, you don't. Get down! I said down! Arrow to the knee! Oh, wow, that killed you? No, it didn't. Never mind. Got excited for nothing. Okay, cool. And we'll heal Buddy Man, pick up some ammo. Okay, cool. And then we'll go down here for whatever fucking reason that is. Okay, so yeah, we're fine. It's fine. We're all fine. I'm not fine. I've died like 6 times already. But I'm not getting any more ammo for my... Oh, that would have been death. I'm not getting more ammo for the... This is bad. This is going to be a bad idea. There's going to be... You know what? No, we're going to go like this, and then we're going to... Bye, Padre. Bye, Padre. And then if that didn't kill you, we're going to go... Goodbye. Oh, you're a friend, not foe. You're friend, not foe. Ha! You're not friend. You're not friend. You're not friend.
Are you all right?
No, I'm not all right. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is how we die again. This is how we die again. This is how we die again. Is this how we die again? Why can't I... Okay, so I guess this isn't how we die. Is this ammo? Oh, sweet Mary. Is there stuff in here, or did we just open this up for no reason? Can I have my bomb back? I can have my bomb back! Yay! I got my one launcher back. And I got a health kit. Oh, happiest day. Got it! Oh, is that rifle ammo? Hallelujah! Okay, we're getting all the things. We're getting all the things we need. We're getting all the things. We got the things. Can I open this? No, I can only pick one. Okay, so we're going to go like this. We're going to reload. And then we're going to taunt the gods. Okay, gods successfully taunted. Okay, so then do we have to go back up to get the other guy? I think we have to go back up to get the other guy, right? Where? Ah, here's a ladder. Okay, perfect. So then we're gonna tempt fate once more. Maybe we won't be tempting fate. So then we do go this way with our asthmatic detective. Okay, and then we go like this, which means I can take this, tempt fate, and meander down here. Oh, I can't believe I actually got that. Holy shit. Okay, so I'm... Uh-oh. What happened? Oh, hey! It's Chainsaw Pal! Hi-ya! Oh, god damn it. Yes, because of course charging in blindly with a torch against a chainsaw. I got them brains. I have all of the smart. Oh god, how far back did this put us? So I guess it didn't put us back that far. Oh, so it's just the... Okay, so it just brings us right back to... Oh god, I missed. Please don't charge like a psycho! No! Ah! No! This won't be the one. Okay. We're doing it. We're gonna kill him. Oh, my gun wasn't loaded. Did that do it? Did we kill him? Can we kill him? Okay, these are fully upgraded for damage! Did that kill him? We killed him! Ha ha! We did it! Die, motherfucker! Rip headphone users, but I don't care! I did it! Oh my god, Joseph, where are you? Joseph? Oh, were there weapons over here? Oh. So we got 3 of those, some brain goo, some spinal fluid. Joseph, are you up here? Where is he? Oh, oh wow, he's ahead of the curve. He's already over there. Oh, is that a...
The elevator is stopped at the top.
Nice.
For another way up.
Cardio. Something our asthmatic detective could most definitely use. Some matches. And then we're gonna burn a body.
This is what the holdup was.
And then... is there anything over here? Oh, map fragment. I don't even know. Map fragment 11. Yeah, I'm painfully behind on those. Okay. So... we're just gonna collect these. Journal of Sebastian Castellanos. May 17th, 2006. 8 months since Myra and I were married, and you, little Lily, are the result of our love. I can't wait for 2 months to pass so that I can finally meet you. But I must admit that I'm scared. I've faced countless dangers in my job, but knowing that I'm going to be a dad is the scariest thing of all. I promise to love you and protect you with every fiber of my being as long as I'm in this world. I will enter this stage of my life the same way I do every important task, with a full heart and the desire to do the best I can. Just know that your mother and I already love you already and cannot wait to welcome you into this sometimes harsh world. Aww, that's adorable. They had a kid. Alrighty, so I've been recording for a while, so I think this is where we're going to stop for this episode, because this is going to be a monster to try and edit. So, as always, remember, there's always room for you in the Freak Show. Bye!